In this video, I'll be sharing what stocks are in my investment portfolio. What's up everyone? My name's David. Welcome back to my channel. Since 2020 is coming to a close, I thought I'd do a recap and share what stocks are in my investment portfolio. For a background, I've been investing for a few years now and I've learned a lot. In the span of 4 years, my investments have grown over 300%. Along that, 40% year to date. For a disclaimer, I don't have millions or hundreds of thousands of dollars in my investment portfolio. The purpose for me sharing my investments is to give some inspiration and hope for any new investors or anyone who wants to try it out. So hopefully by me sharing this can help you with your journey. My stock investments are broken in different categories. The first one will be technology at 40%, airlines at 31%, entertainment for 13%, financials or finances at 12%, lastly 4% cash. Now I do have other investments like index funds, but these are my individual stock investments. My first technology stock is Facebook with the stock ticker FB. They're a well-known social media company across the world and their goal is to connect people together. Obviously they own the platform Facebook, but most people don't know they own other platforms such as WhatsApp, Instagram, Oculus, and many more. One of the main reasons why I invest into Facebook, besides that they have good products and services, is because of the growth. Get this. Facebook has grown over 20% in their revenue since last year. The reason for the growth in their revenue is because they experienced more active users this year on their platforms and applications, and because of that, marketers and businesses want to pay more for marketing towards these customers that are on these apps. Facebook is experimenting different ways to put products and services in front of consumers' faces to help out marketers. One of the new ways is through the Instagram store. The Instagram store is basically a location where users or customers can go to different pages on Instagrams that are marketed by businesses, and from there, if they do want to make a purchase, they can make a purchase directly to the business. Now I know that Facebook is very polarizing. Some people love it, some people hate it because of the Cambridge Analytica scandal or them selling off your data to different businesses. But if you want to invest into a social media company, Facebook is the best way. My second technology stock is Apple with the stock ticker AAPL. Apple is a consumer electronic company that's probably well known for the products such as their iPhones or MacBooks. One thing that a lot of people don't know about Apple is that they actually make a lot of money from the services. Services such as iCloud, Apple Music, and Apple TV. With all their products and services, they actually have a lot of cash on hand, roughly $38 billion. There's probably a lot of people out there who think that Apple has reached their peak or it's overvalued. But I want to explain that because they're able to expand their products and services, they're able to actually increase their market share. So if you're looking for a technology company in the consumer electronics space, invest into Apple. My airline stocks are Southwest, Delta, and Boeing. They have the stock ticker LUV, DAL, and BA. For a heads up, I did a more detailed analysis for the airline industry and these airline stocks, so if you want to see more detail, click in the link above. For a quick and SparkNote version of my analysis, the reason why you should invest into Southwest is because they have a very healthy balance sheet and a lot of cash on hand. For Delta, it's supposed to hedge or limit the risk for Boeing 737 MAX airplanes that were grounded not too long ago. And ironically, you should look into invest into Boeing. Now I want to clarify, I know Boeing is not an airline, but they're in the aerospace, so they're directly correlated and connected with the airline industry. As I mentioned before in my last video, the FAA or the Federal Aviation Administration just granted access for Boeing to fly their 737 MAX airplanes. This is good news for Boeing, and once the economy picks up, the revenue and operations will also pick up. So if you want to invest in a stock in the airline industry, I recommend Southwest, Delta, or Boeing. My entertainment stock is Disney with the stock ticker DIS. Disney is an entertainment company with many beloved names and original content such as Frozen, Mulan, Lion King, and many more. I've been an investor for Disney for a while, but they released a new platform called Disney Plus, which got me excited again. Disney Plus is Disney's new streaming platform for any original or existing content they have. This is great because they're able to generate recurring revenue every month with the existing or new content that they create. As of September, they're able to get over 70 million users on Disney Plus. On top of that, over 30 million on Hulu, which they own too. That's over 1 million users where they can share the content and create recurring revenue every month. Overall, the reasons why I'm investing in Disney is because Disney Plus, the reopening of the economy, all that, a strong brand love. My financial stock is Visa with the stock ticker V. Visa is a financial service company that's pretty well known for handling credit card payments. The way that Visa makes their money is that every time that you swipe your card at a business, they charge a small fee towards the business for every transaction that you make. There's over 300 million credit cards by Visa that are in circulation right now. If it sounds like a lot, it is. Visa is one of the main leaders and providers for these credit card companies. As an added effect, the typical US consumer has a lot of debt, such as student loans, mortgages, and credit card debt, which means that they're going to be accruing interest off the credit card debt, which is going to be paid off to credit card companies such as Visa. Overall, the reasons why I'm investing in Visa is because they have a large market share, increased spending of consumers, on top of that, a recovering economy. Those are the stocks in my investment portfolio: Facebook, Apple, Southwest, Delta, Boeing, Disney, and Visa. My stock investments are a mixture of growth, value, and rotational stocks. Now, I know there's a lot of people out there thinking that I have a lot of value towards technology and airlines, but due to the illness of 2020, that's what actually happened where those stocks actually grew the most for me. With that being said, I want to make sure that everyone who's watching this video who's interested in investing in stocks, make sure you don't put all your eggs in one basket and put all your money towards one company or one sector. Make sure you diversify and limit the risk for your portfolio. That means that you're not putting all your money towards one company like Tesla or towards one sector. Nothing wrong with Tesla, but you want to make sure if they have a bad quarter or year that you have other stocks in different sectors that will help you for consistent growth. Please do your research before investing and let me know in the comments down below what are your thoughts on my stocks and my analysis. Thank you for watching the video. Feel free to like the video, subscribe to my channel. It really helps me share the content that I create. As always, stay fresh, stay awesome, take care.